By the time you are done watching this video, you might have known how to earn up to $300 per hour by typing and translation. It's very simple. All you need to do is follow me step by step, and I'll show you how you can make money online all for free. The good thing is you can make money from your smartphone even if you don't have a laptop. Now the first thing you want to do, I have two sites I'm going to show you. The first thing you want to do is first come to this website called typingtest.com. Now what you will do with this website is you will come to this website in order for you to join 150 million plus test takers to improve your typing speed, because in this video you will learn how you can make money just by typing, right? So the faster and more accurate you type, the more money you earn, right? So you just come to this session, you can select your testing time. So you can just select the 60 seconds, which is the 1 minute test, and you choose your category. So you can choose easy, medium, and hard text. So let's leave it at medium. So what you do is you can just click on start test. What this website does is literally trains you how you can type faster, as even if you are a beginner. It trains you how you can type faster, right? So for instance, you can see that if I begin to do this typing, did you know that wins? Now this website, what it's doing is training me out I can type fast and more accurate. And if you notice why I do this typing, you'll notice that this timer keeps decreasing. So they expect me to finish this typing in less than 1 minute. The truth is, the faster you do this, the better for you, right? Now another thing is you can increase this more. All you have to do is you just come to this typing course, and they are going to give you a 100% free course where you can start your typing lessons. So if you've done this and you find out that your typing skills have not improved, I want you to do this. You just come to this website called, now this is the website. This website gets you paid weekly, and the average earner earns about $245, right, per month, which is almost $300 per month, right? So you can easily earn this amount of money using this website, this particular website. All you need to do is you first of all sign up and get approved to transcribe. Then the step 2 is you choose from available transcription jobs, and step 3, you get paid via PayPal. Now it's very simple. What you want to do is you must first of all learn exactly how to type, and you can do that using this typingtest.com free website. Now the name of this website where you are going to be doing the transcription is called rev.com. Now this rev.com, what they will do is they will require you to, there's going to be a little verification process. So once you are approved, believe me, you are going to make tons of money. So imagine you sitting on your PC, in the front of your PC, and if you don't have a PC, just using your phone to type at your leisure time, you can earn about $300 in a month or per hour by doing just this simple task, right? So all you need to do is you just follow them step by step, and you are good to go, right? So there are different services that can be rendered, that you can actually render. Services like enterprises solutions, live captions for Zoom, global subtitles, English captions, automated transcriptions, and human transcription, right? So what I recommend here is you doing some transcription, that is transcribing from voice to text and so on, right? So once you have gotten approved on this particular website, all you need to do is you just sit tight and you are good to go. So the first thing you need to do is you just have to sign up. Then after you sign up, wait for approval. You ensure you get yourself approved, right? So once you've gotten yourself approved, then you are good to go. Now understand that using this website, basically you can simply increase your typing speed, because the faster you type, the more money you are going to make. So once you are done with your test, for instance, all you need to do is you just submit your screenshot of the test, the typing test that you took from this particular this particular website, because they are going to ask you for a portfolio, for a sample, right? So for instance, if I type Max Planck was the founder of quantum, right? So they expect me to type faster, to type all this stuff in less than 1 minute, right? Founder of quantum, then theory, the price. So the faster you type, the better for you. You went to study physics. All right, so once you're done typing, it's going to analyze the results, right? So as you can see, this is my typing speed, my typing accuracy. You see my typing accuracy here is 100%. So ensure that any stuff you're submitting to any of these websites, ensure that it's cool, right? So you can see my average typing, my the time, and so on, right? So you can do this, you can retake the text and so on. Now the second website is called TranscribeMe.com, right? This website, as you can see, is the highest pay, and it said we have the industry's best rate with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour, and top monthly earners have about $2,000. Now what this does is, the faster you type, the better for you, because once you've listened to the audios, as you're listening to the audios, you are typing, and as you can see, you can earn up to $15 to $22 per hour. So if we use an online calculator to do the calculation, so let's assume that you typing, you are making $22 per hour, right? So in 10 hours, that's about $220, right? So and in 24 hours, that's about $528, right? So this is a possibility that you can earn. So this website, what you do is, once you come to this website, you just click on get started. What they require from you is your name and all your details, and once you get approved, believe me, you are not going to regret it, because you are going to get paid up to $15 to $22 per audio hour, right? So and the average earner is $250, which is, so the average earner, let's assume that the average earner works 22 times 10 hours. Let's assume that the average earners work like 10 hours per month, of which I believe that you can do this more than 10 hours per month, right? So if you can do this, and you can actually literally make a huge amount of money using this. In case you enjoyed this video, ensure that you like the video, because it took me time to do the editing, and ensure that you subscribe to the channel to get more videos on how you can make money online, even as a complete beginner.